The best part of D&D is creating a character. There's so much to choose from, and the customization is almost endless. But when making a new character, it can be difficult to write out a fully fleshed out being on one piece of paper. In this video, we are going to give you 5 questions you should always ask yourself when creating your next character to make them feel real. The first question you should ask yourself is, where has life taken your character thus far? Thinking about what experiences your character has gone through really plays into how you plan to roleplay this person out. Who are they raised by? Have they seen war before? Knowing what hardships or achievements your character has had will guide you in how they make decisions and interact with the world around them. At number 2, what are their strengths? Your character, much like Liam Neeson, has a particular set of skills. Is your rogue incredible at sleight of hand, or are they better at talking their way out of situations? Whatever it is, think about the strengths to your character and how they can add to the party. Moving on to the third question, what does your character love? Everyone has something that motivates them to get out of bed in the morning and to do something with their day. For some, this could be a person or a community. For others, it's experiences, food, challenges, travel, gold. Considering what makes them love helps give your character pull when making decisions in the game. Think about what drives passion and life into your character. Fourth, what does your character fear? Fears are important. Your character could be afraid of losing somebody important to them or be deeply scarred from a traumatic event. We all have things we fear, and they are what can drive us to take specific action. There is nothing more inspiring than seeing someone conquer their fears. When applying this to your character, think about what they could be afraid of and how it might affect how they approach situations. Lastly, number 5, what are their flaws? That -2 in your stat block can really come in handy when thinking about who your character is. We all have something that we aren't great at. Having a character that has a low charisma and doesn't talk much isn't a bad thing. Build off of it. We love characters because of their flaws, not because of what they are good at. It makes them relatable. We hope these questions help you develop a fun, in-depth character for you to play that feels more real to you. Let us know what cool ideas you had from these questions down in the comments. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.